Hello, everyone. Today you'll learn 10 useful English phrases that native speakers use every day.
Each phrase comes with a simple conversation. Let's get started.
I'm just looking. Phrase number 1, I'm just looking.
Shop assistant? Can I help you?
Sarah, I'm just looking, thanks.
Use this phrase when you're shopping but don't need help.
Phrase number 2, take your time.
Sorry, I'm slow.
Sorry, I'm slow.
Take your time.
It means there is no need to hurry.
Phrase number 3, no worries.
Alex, sorry I'm late.
Sorry I'm late. No worries.
It means it's okay.
Phrase number 4, I'm on my way. Phrase number 4, I'm on my way.
Where are you?
I'm on my way.
It means you have already started coming.
That sounds great. Phrase number 5. That sounds great.
Let's watch a movie tonight.
Let's watch a movie tonight. Use it when you like someone's idea.
It's up to you. Phrase number 6, it's up to you.
Alex, pizza or burgers?
It's up to you.
It means the other person can decide.
I don't mind. Phrase number 7, I don't mind. Can we sit outside?
I don't mind. It means either choice is okay.
Phrase number 8, could you repeat that?
Alex, the meeting starts at 8:30.
Alex, sorry, could you repeat that?
Sarah, use this when you didn't hear someone clearly.
Here you go. Phrase number 9, here you go.
Can I have the menu?
Can I have the menu?
Here you go.
Here you go.
People say this when giving something to someone.
Phrase number 10, have a great day.
Customer, thank you.
Cashier, have a great day.
This is a polite way to say goodbye.
Great job! Now you know 10 useful English phrases.
Which phrase was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video.